Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok creator account option is missing. So if TikTok creator account option is missing, here's what's really going on. So if you're trying to switch and can't find the creator account option on TikTok, so don't panic. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So first, go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then click the three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, then go to account, tap on account. Now, here's the part most people miss. So, you will only be able to see the switch to personal account button somewhere in the section if you have a business account. So, if you haven't created one yet, go ahead and create one. So, just click on business verification and follow the prompts. So, if you don't see that option, it usually means you're already using a personal account, which already has creator features. So just go to your profile and go to TikTok Studio and you will see the analytics in here. Now also in many regions, TikTok removed the creator account label completely. So now it's just personal account and business account. And yes, personal accounts already include analytics, creator tools, monetization eligibility if you qualify. Now, if you still feel something is off, you can try this. You can try to update your TikTok app. So close TikTok and go to App Store. Then search the TikTok app in here. So if you see an update button, just click on that to update the app. Next, you can also clear cache. So go to your profile, click the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, then scroll down and go to free up space. Then clear cache. So click on clear and confirm it. Now, after that, try again and see if that works. You can also try to log out and log back in. So under settings and privacy, scroll down and click on log out. So click on log out again and then log back in and see if that works. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.